This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and the smartphone launched October 2020. After 1.5 years, the smartphone is still worth it in 2022. Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So starting with the design and the build quality. So when it's come to design, I think Apple did a great job. I really like the phone looks. And the smartphone built with Gorilla Glass front and back with stainless steel frame. So overall iPhone 12 Pro Max build quality is so good. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a really high quality 6.7-inch Super Retina HDR10 OLED 60Hz screen with a resolution by 1284 into 2778 pixel, and the smartphone comes with 87.4 skin to body ratio. So overall iPhone 12 Pro Max skin is so good. Now let's talk about the processor. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with Apple A14 Bionic chipset, CPU using hexa-core 2x3.8 GHz, GPU using Apple Graphics 4-core graphics with a 6GB RAM. The phone performance is so good. All the app opening and closing is very fast. There is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, browsing, watching YouTube, and things like that. It's handled pretty good. Let's move on the camera section. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with quad camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.2 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide with 2.4 aperture, and last one 3D sensor for depth. And the front, the smartphone comes with dual selfie camera, 12 megapixel main lens with 2.2 aperture, and second one 3D sensor for depth and biometric. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps, 240 fps slow-mo video, and you also record double vision HDR video with up to 60 fps. So overall the smartphone video quality is excellent. The phone camera quality is so good. Overall the camera is very good. You can get a pretty good photo with a lot of details. And the smartphone also comes with dedicated night mode, so you also take a better photo in the night. So now talk about the security. You can get face unlock. Face unlock is very fast and secure. And the smartphone powered by 3687 mAh battery, and the phone supports 22W fast charger, and you almost get 1 day battery backup. So overall iPhone 12 Pro Max is still a very good phone. You can definitely buy in 2022. So this is all about iPhone 12 Pro Max full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.